1024 Hz frequency affirmations. I align with the powerful vibrations of the 1024 Hz frequency. This frequency elevates my consciousness and awareness. I am deeply connected to universal energy. 1024 frequency activates my higher chakras. I am spiritually attuned and aware. I have inner peace and tranquility in my life. My meditation is deepened by the soothing tones of my body's natural vibrations. My mind is clear and my focus is sharp. I embrace all healing energy. Positive energy flows through me. My spirit is uplifted. My spiritual growth is connected. I can release emotional blockages. My energy is balanced and harmonized. I have peace and clarity in my life. I sleep with peace and harmony. I am in tune with my divine energy. My thoughts are clear and focused. I am spiritually enlightened. I am grounded and stable. My root chakra is balanced and secure. I am deeply connected to the earth's energy. I feel safe and protected. My physical body is strong and healthy. I release all fears and insecurities. My foundation is solid and unwavering. I trust the process of life. I am supported by the universe. I am at peace with my surroundings. I embrace my creativity and passion. My sacral chakra is vibrant and blessed and balanced. I enjoy the pleasures of life with balance. I am confident in my ability to create. My emotions are balanced and harmonious. I am open to new experiences and possibilities. I am in tune with my feelings. I honor my body and its desires. I am flexible and adaptable. My creative energy flows freely. I am confident and powerful. My solar plexus chakra radiates strength. I trust in my abilities and decisions. I am motivated and determined. I embrace my personal power. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am in control of my life. I am courageous and fearless. I am worthy of success. I radiate confidence and positivity. My heart chakra is open and balanced. I give and receive love effortlessly. I am compassionate and kind. My relationships are harmonious and fulfilling. I forgive myself and others. I am connected to the universal love. My heart is filled with joy and gratitude. I am open to love and kindness. I am at peace with myself and others. I radiate love and compassion. I express myself clearly and confidently. My throat chakra is balanced and open. I speak my truth with ease. My voice is powerful and impactful. I'm a good listener. I communicate effectively with others. My words are positive and uplifting. I am honest and authentic. I express my creativity through my voice. I am confident in my communication skills. My intuition is strong and clear. My third eye chakra is balanced and open. I trust my inner wisdom. I see the truth in all situations. I'm connected to my inner vision. My mind is calm and focused. I am open to higher wisdom and guidance. My thoughts are clear and insightful. I trust my instinct and inner guidance. I am in tune with the universe's wisdom. My crown chakra is open and aligned. I am connected to the divine energy. I am spiritually aware and enlightened. My mind is open to new ideas and insights. I am at peace with the universe. I trust the divine plan. I am one with all that is. I am open to divine wisdom and guidance. My spirit is free and expansive. I am connected to my higher self. All my chakras are balanced and aligned. My energy flows freely through my chakras. I am in perfect harmony with the universe. I am grounded, centered and balanced. My mind, body and spirit are in harmony. I radiate positive energy and light. I am a vessel of divine energy. My chakras are open and receptive. I am in tune with the frequencies of the universe. I am balanced, whole and complete.